You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day.
Hey baby, this is your dad, your very handsome dad, and your beautiful mom is going to speak to you just now. I've been waiting for you for a very long time, and whether you're a boy or girl, I can tell you one thing for sure, you and I are going to spend a lot of time on the beach. I love you already, and I can't wait to meet you.
Hi baby, I'm your mommy and we are eagerly awaiting your arrival. You have already brought so much of joy and happiness into our lives and we can't wait to meet you.
I'll be there for you, calling me when you're lonely, dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do, keep your love for me only. I get high on you, yeah you. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Don't you know I'm time. Don't you know I'm time. It's all time. Don't you know I'm time. Don't you know I'm time. It's all time. I'll be there for you, calling me when you're lonely, dancing on the roof. Feels like you know what to do, keep your love for me only. I get high on you, yeah you. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Don't you know I'm time. Don't you know I'm time. It feels like don't you know I'm time. Don't you know I'm time. It feels like rendezvous. It feels like hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire, it's all time. Don't you know I'm time. Don't you know I'm time. It's all time. Don't you know I'm time. Don't you know I'm time. It's all time. Like rendezvous, don't know what to do. It feels like don't like rendezvous, don't know what to do. It feels like
Hey baby girl, this is your dad, and I'm so excited to have you. The truth is I really wanted a girl, but I was scared to say it first in case you would have been a boy. But I can't wait to meet you and I love you so much. And I know you're going to be as beautiful as your mom.
Hey, hi baby girl, we love you already so much and we are super excited. I knew it's gonna be a girl. Yeah, I don't know what else to say.
See you in 3 months.